Welcome and hello. This is a video lesson in HEC RAS, and in this lesson, we're going to be learning how to download and install the program. All right, so if you already have the program downloaded and installed, by all means, go ahead and skip ahead to another lesson. But if you don't, then you're in the right place. All right, so let's go ahead and start here. What I have on the screen here is the Army Corps of Engineers Hydrologic Engineering Center's HEC RAS page. This is the introduction page. And as a quick introduction, I will mention that the Hydrologic Engineering Center's RAS program stands for River Analysis System. This software allows the user to perform one-dimensional steady flow, one and two-dimensional unsteady flow calculations, sediment transport, mobile bed computations, and water temperature quality modeling. All right, so with that out of the way, on the left side, we have this panel, this menu. So just click on the downloads page. This is where you want to be to download HEC RAS. I'm going to leave a link to this page in the video description if you can't find it, but you can also just go to Google, type in HEC RAS, and then it's probably going to be your first hit right here, and then click downloads. So this is the downloads page. At the time of this recording, 6.6 is the most recent version, but if you see a later version, by all means, go ahead and download that. It appears that there are archived versions as well, in case you need to download a previous version. And then there's also this HEC RAS 2025 Alpha program. This is a little different program as I understand it. So we're going to be working with the main HEC RAS program in this lesson and all the other lessons in this playlist. All right, so go ahead and click the download link. Okay, once that's downloaded, I believe this is just the Windows installer file. Okay, the camera turned off for a moment there when I clicked install, but basically right when you click the executable to install, you click yes, you get a progress bar, and then you get this screen right here. So just click next, go ahead and agree to the terms and read them if you want, and then click next. Okay, then it's asking you where you want to install this program on your machine. So I'll just accept the default location it's suggesting. If you don't want that, go ahead and click change and then change the location. But I'll click next. I will pass on the desktop icon. It looks like that's it there. And then install. Okay, it says it's going to take a couple minutes. Okay, so it says the setup is complete. I'll click finish. And then I don't need this installer anymore, so I can delete that. Let me go ahead and see if I have RAS on my computer. So I'm just going to type RAS, and I actually have 6.4 already installed, but this is the one I just installed, 6.6. So I'm going to go right click, pin to start, and then see, okay, there it is. I'll put it with, oops. Okay, I just open it up directly here. Okay, I agree. And next. All right, now I'm up and running. Here is my HEC RAS version 6.6. This is the user interface. We don't have any maps or anything up yet, so this is all there is to look at. One final thought on this lesson before I leave you is the documentation link down here is just below the downloads link. If you click that, there's some great documentation here, starting with like the home page is a good menu page of documentation. And what I'm going to focus on is the HEC RAS users manual and HEC RAS 2D users manual. So if you click on one of those, you get all sorts of menu items for information about how to use HEC RAS.